My husband Dave is out of town for the day, and whenever he goes out of town, I like to surprise him with a little home project. It's my way of subtly or not so subtly saying you should probably never leave me because you never know what's going to happen. So I have wanted to do this for so long, pretty much since we moved here, and that is German Schmear the entire exterior of my house. If you watched our homestead tour video, then you know that we bought our property for the land and not so much the house. The house is a 1950s brick rambler, which I am so grateful for, but it is not my favorite style. And so I have always wanted to German Schmear the outside just to make it a little more white. And I've done it to the inside fireplace and I really liked the look of it. So we're going to try to do the entire exterior today before he gets home. And then we'll see how he reacts. Hopefully he doesn't get mad at me. It is so windy today. It's a little chilly. Probably not the best weather to be doing this, but I was like, Dave's gone. It's just gotta happen today. I bought thin set mortar for this project, as well as this drill attachment that will help me mix the mortar with water. One time Dave found it in the basement and I had to be like, can you just pretend that you never saw that? Thanks. We are shooting for a honey or thin pancake batter-like consistency. We are going to start on the side of the house since it's a little bit less visible and I have no idea how it's going to turn out. Kind of nervous because it's so permanent. I'm not sure exactly the best way to get it up on the bricks. So we're going to try a few different things. I've seen people do a couple different ways and we'll just try them and then see what works best for us. So far so good. I'm really liking the way it looks. Jeb is a huge help and kind of liking the sponge technique. Jeb is liking the rubbery trowel. And I am realizing just really how long this is going to take.
Well, Mommy, this is the last little part before I switch to the other log to get over here.
It's great.
Do you think they'll be like, you painted our house? Well, so far so good. We've been working a lot. And it's about time we get the ladder. Done, done, done. Woo-wee. All in a day's work.
I absolutely love the way that this is turning out. I think it looks so good. I'm so happy that it's more white than red now. And it's going pretty fast with the two of us, which is nice. I think we'll be able to get the front done before Dave gets home. But right now we're gonna stop and eat some lunch. We are moving on to the front of the exterior of the house now. We're gonna leave the other part that we're working on. We need the extension ladder, so we're just gonna leave that for now and work on the front.
Yeah, good.
I think we finally got the same consistency for our second batch, so it'll match. One reason I like doing this is because it is permanent. It's not like painting it or lime washing it and then you have to do it again, keep doing it every 5 years or so. This should just be one and done, which is really all I have time for.
Awesome.
I was reading on the internet that if I paid a professional to do this, it would cost between $1,000 and $3,000. So if Dave doesn't like it, I can just be like, look how much money I saved you by doing it myself.
Face the house?
Face the house.
Am I facing the house?
Yep. Unblindfold.
Hey. Whoa. Our house is a different color. Our whole house is a different color. What? Why is our house a different color?
Wanting to do that forever. I German Schmeared it.
You smeared it already. Oh. It's so white.
Do you like it?
Oh, I love it. Yeah, that's cool. It's supposed to be good for it, right?
Yep. It's supposed to add strength. That's what the internet says.
Oh, the internet's never wrong. Strength of character. It's so cute. I was just thinking to myself, you know what would be cute is having a white house instead of a brick house.
I've never liked the brick.
Oh.
I've been wanting to do that for like 8 years. I think that went super well. I'm really, really happy with the way that it turned out. I think that Dave took it well, considering that I completely changed the exterior of our house without consulting him first. I'm really lucky that he's so chill. How do you think it went?
I think it went great, except it took a long time to do it, and it got dark really fast, and it got harder to video.
Yes, it did take a while, and we still got some work left to do. But the more that I look at it, the more that I love it. And now I'm thinking maybe it would be really cute if we made some black shutters to go on it.
Definitely.